In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Payhip. We'll walk through the entire process together, from logging in all the way to seeing your finished product page. Feel free to pause and follow along in your own Payhip account as we go. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look at the navigation bar along the top of the screen and click on Products. This takes you to your main products page. Here you'll see a button that says Add Product. Click that and Payhip will ask you to choose the type of product you want to create. You'll see options like digital products, courses, memberships, and physical products. For this walkthrough, select Physical Product, since that's the example we're using. Now you're in the product editor. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title for your product. This is what your customers will see first, so make it specific and easy to understand. Right next to the title field, you'll see a place to enter your product's price. Type in the amount you want to charge, making sure your price reflects the value of the product and any costs like shipping or packaging. Next, let's add a product image. Click on Upload a product image. A file browser window will pop up, letting you choose a photo from your computer. Select the image you want, then click Open in the bottom right corner of that window. Wait a moment for the image to upload, and it will appear in the editor. A high-quality, well-lit photo really helps customers trust what they're buying. If you'd like, you can also embed audio or video for your product by clicking on the Embed Audio Video option. This is useful for things like product demos or previews. After that, add your product description. This is where you explain what the product is, what it includes, and any key details your customers should know. Payhip supports rich text formatting here, so you can make parts of your text bold, italic, or underlined, and you can add bullet-style lists, indent, or outdent sections to make everything easier to read. You can also add optional details like a product ID or SKU and the product weight. These are especially helpful for organizing your catalog and for shipping calculations. If you want to track inventory or create product variations, such as different sizes or colors, look for the checkboxes next to those options and tick them. This allows you to manage stock levels and offer multiple versions of the same product. Finally, choose the visibility for your product. You can set it to visible if you want it to appear in your store, invisible if you're not ready to show it yet, or unlisted if you only want people with the direct link to see it. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Add Product at the bottom. Payhip will save your product and load a confirmation page saying that your product has been added. From there, you can click Show Me My Product page to see exactly how it looks to your customers and make sure everything appears the way you want.